friends, in today's video I'm gonna talk about phrasal verbs on act. In my last video I talked about what phrasal verb is and its types. Phrasal verbs in English language are difficult to understand as the individual word doesn't make any sense to guess the meaning of the phrasal verb. So the only way to remember them is to memorize them. And it would become easier if you use them as well. So just make them a part of your everyday's life. So let's start with the first one. Act up. This phrasal verb is used when someone behaves very badly or function improperly. It can also be used with your body. If a part of your body acts up, that means it develops some problems. For example, my eyes have started acting up again. I need to see a doctor. Act on or upon. First meaning. To act on something is to do something because you have been asked to do so. For example, I am acting on the advice of my teacher. That means you are following what your teacher has asked you to do. Another example. The police were acting upon a tip-off. The other meaning of act on is to affect something. It means to have an effect on something physically. For example, when drugs act on your body, you feel relief. Another example, the enzymes act upon certain proteins. Act out. It means to express your feelings and emotions through your actions rather than words. For example, she kept mum, but she had acted out what she needed. Other meaning of act out is to express feeling through disruptive actions, especially when you are facing an unrest situation. For example, when she was angry, she acted out by breaking the crockery.